We are proud to be an American manufacturer. I believe we can do anything in this country that anybody can do anywhere. Our products are on the front edge of protecting our freedom, so we create the very highest quality products. Manufacturing freedom is what that means. I owned a couple of early Colt SP1s, and I needed a flat top upper for them, and nobody made such a thing. And so I talked a manufacturer into making 100. I only needed 4. You know, it took me about 2 years to sell that 100. So it wasn't a hugely popular item, but it did fit a market. The people that did buy them really did appreciate them. It's been an incredible journey to go from a little company, basically a cabinet inside the garage door business, right, that had some gun parts in it that we were selling over the internet, to a company that is known nationally and internationally. Own a gun, in a gun, or is a gun is our rule. The most fun part about running a business is the relationships you build with the employees. So getting to know the people that you work with and becoming friends with them, it's just kind of who we are.
From the time I started in 2008, it's very much a family feel. We've grown into a very large company, but we still have the very small company, family type atmosphere and feel in it. You know everybody that's here.
Nothing like a restful holiday when you move your stuff around.
Definitely feels like an extension of my family because of the fact that they actually care.
It's interesting to see you guys develop. That's making a big difference in our design team.
Well, how many places can say that the owners can walk out on the floor and name every person on the floor, have a personal relationship with them on an every day-to-day basis?
It's that type of company that will make you want to put forth your best.
And I love to work, and our people love to work. I just want to come in and enjoy working. It's very rare, actually, that I see a husband and wife work together like we do. To start with, we've worked together for a long time, for 25 years, and so we understand each other real well. We work together every day at work, and then we go home, we spend some family time, and then work comes up again, and then we're text and email till midnight because we just both love to work. We started on this building a little over a year ago. It was just a dirt field, and we came out and rolled some dirt over, and that very day, bulldozers were moving dirt. And then when they got the concrete poured on the floor, and all of that was empty, there was no machines or anything, it was just one big open floor. It was amazing to see a building that big and the opportunities it gave us. In the past, we had multiple buildings. Anything that needed to be done, there was either somebody or something that was not where you could finish it today. Because people were so spread out, we were going to hit a ceiling. So now having everybody in one place, anybody we need to talk to or any machine that needs to do a certain function for you, it's all right here.
It gives us the capability to interface with manufacturing teams that were kind of spread out a little bit before.
Vast amounts of space to grow. It's a state-of-the-art facility.
The fact that we have manufacturing right on the other side of the door. So when you do a print or a drawing, you end up going out on the shop floor, working with the guys that are making the part. That'll help the product as a whole become better.
There was a lot of planning into where the equipment goes, the ways it'll be set up, how it'll be used. It's just going to make such a huge difference in our ability to collaborate. We're going to have a lot more capability than we had in the last year.
My name is John Fender, one of 2 chaplains out here at Daniel Defense. We, like the other chaplain, have a pastor in the community. The things that we do in our church setting, we come here, and yet in a broader sense. It's just a chance to say, you like some spiritual encouragement, there's something going on in your life that you could use a little counsel on. Here's a couple of people that are resources for them. We're building a report today so that we can help in the moment of crisis tomorrow.
Daniel Defense exists to make a difference in God's kingdom. As I mentioned, we've been blessed so many different ways, and we continue to be blessed. I think that's for a reason, and I think He's blessed me for the purpose of continuing to do things for Him. I believe that the Second Amendment protects the gospel. It is because it protects the First Amendment. The Second Amendment was, I believe, put in place to say, first, we've got the right to say what we want to say, and secondly, have the right to arm ourselves. And so it is truly the muscle behind the First Amendment. It takes a lot of time and a lot of effort and a lot of training and a lot of learning to be who we are. At the end of the day, it's about the work. We don't know how hard our competitors are working, but we think we're working harder than they are. And that's our goal. But we've also been blessed a lot, right? We've been in the right place at the right time. As long as that blessing continues, I think we'll continue to be significant in our industry. 5 years from now, we will still be manufacturing freedom.